Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prashant Banerjee and you are watching Automania. You must be thinking what the hell I'm doing here. बात यह है कि जो मेरा फेवरेट मोटरसाइकिल है द हीरो स्प्लेंडर प्लस 2007 मेरा फर्स्ट मोटरसाइकिल, इसका जान जा चुकी है एंड दिस इज़ अ सिचुएशन. भैया क्या क्या गया है? क्लच असेंबली पूरा खत्म. So we are changing the entire clutch assembly. The older one was completely gone. So because I'm in love with this motorcycle so much and I had to take care of it immediately. क्योंकि ठीक तो करना ही है आज नहीं तो कल, बट ऐसा प्यारी चीज़ को घर पे रख देना without taking care of it, I'm not that kind of person. Yes, that's the one. This is the clutch assembly and so we're assembling back the clutch assembly. So these are the plates. भैया कौन क्या प्लेट है बोल दीजिए.
ये क्लच हब है.
That's clutch hub.
ये
Clutch plate.
Pressure plate.
One pressure plate. Again. One clutch plate. One pressure plate. So that will go on. Make sure when you are rebuilding your motorcycle, this is maintained really. अगर ये गलत हो गया तो खत्म. So be very sure about it. And then this assembly. The assembly is completed. I'll just show you once again. So this should be like this. The pressure plate and friction plate must be in alternate manner, and the spring will be fixed over here. And I'll show you the new and the old one condition. I'll just show you that. See, this is the new one. This is new one. See the condition. Okay. And I'll show you the old one. ये दोनों जम गया है, दोनों प्लेट एक साथ चिपक गया है. And see the condition, completely gone. फ्रिक्शन अभी है ही नहीं, कुछ भी फ्रिक्शन बाकी नहीं है. It's gone. And that's the new one. You can well spot the difference, right? So another time fix करने से पहले एक बार ज़रूर चेक कर लेना कि everything is fine. Yes, it's fine. Then goes this assembly and we are ready. So it's going in. This video will be for those people especially who likes engineering, who likes to know details about the motorcycle, the technical parts. सबको interest नहीं होता इसमें, so I do understand that. Being an automotive channel and being an engineer myself, I am really interested in all these stuffs. I have been working in the automotive industry for almost 6 to 8 years. So I have got a bit of experience in this field and I love working with all these things. So people who are interested in all these kind of interesting engineering things, do let me know. I will try to make these videos if you like it, and if you like what video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania guys. These are the springs. I'll show you once again. These are the springs, and when you are tightening the spring, make sure the tightening is done in a crisscross manner, because अगर सब स्प्रिंग in a particular series आप टाइट कर देते हो, that will create a heavy imbalance into the fixing of the clutch. So it should always be in a crisscross manner. So that's the weight balancer over here. These are not too complicated at all. So many of you might feel these are complicated stuffs, but if you have interest, nothing is complicated anymore. It depends what kind of things you are interested in. The clutch cable is also connected now. Slowly and steadily this bike is gaining its past glory. I can't wait to ride it once again. Guys, I have ridden many performance motorcycles. You might have seen in my channel. I myself have a 650cc motorcycle, GT650. But it's not only about what you're riding. 350cc, 650cc, 100cc, that doesn't matter at all. It's the feeling about it. It's how do we feel when you ride a motorcycle. That should not change. Whether you're reviewing or riding a 100cc motorcycle or a 1000cc beast, the feeling should be the exactly same. That what makes you a perfect rider, a complete rider. The excitement of reviewing a 100cc motorcycle should be exactly the same as when you're reviewing any performance motorcycle. That is what I feel. Guys, my speedometer cable was also not working, so past 1000 2000 kilometers नहीं चल रहा था शायद. So the bike ran 18,000 kilometers in the meter. So overall maximum run जो हुआ इस मोटरसाइकिल का वो है 20,000 kilometers after 14 years. So it's really less driven and carefully driven motorcycle. So मैंने सोचा कि सब काम एक साथ ही कर लूँ. ये मीटर केबल लग जाएगा अभी. And headlight is also not working properly, मतलब उसका पावर बहुत कम हो गया. So the bulb will also be updated. And उसके बाद जो काम रह जाएगा वो रह जाएगा only बैटरी का. So once I get the battery fixed, so it's as new as a brand new motorcycle now. Guys, the vehicle is all packed up, but there was some problem with the carburetor, because I felt some fuel leaking out when the vehicle was parked every time. So a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. So I thought of getting it checked. And this is a VM carburetor. There are two types of carburetors, VM and VS. So that is a different topic for some other day. So this is the carburetor, and the throttle cable is connected over here. From here the throttle cable is connected, and the gearbox is from the left hand side. So left hand side is the gear path, and then it's the carburetor, then it's post carburation, which is the engine. Air and fuel mixture goes inside the engine for perfect combustion, allowing the motorcycle to propel forward. So that's how the carburetor is removed, and you can see the throttle cable is also been taken out. This is how it looks without the carburetor. And make sure you do this cleaning regularly to see if there is any blockage or anything in the carburetor. So I'll just go through the carburetor. Okay, this is the carburetor, and this is the throttle, this is the valve, there's the choke, this is the fuel line, this is fuel line, right? Tank the gas checker. This is coming from the tank, and this is the air line. This is Kane carburetor. Okay, it's Kane carburetor. This is the old model carburetors. We have lots of jet, pilot jet, air jet. You can see, if you can, I don't know if you can see the jets inside. There are pilot jet, air jets. So I'll just hand it over. अच्छा दादा जेट गुलो किनते पाओ आलादा करे पाओ जाए ना. सो যদি কোনো প্রবলেম হয়ে যায় কোনো মানে জেটে প্রবলেম ধরো, if we, and that's the float by the way, I won't get the chance to show these people before. This is the float, right dada? This is the float. So when the fuel is full over here, the float will stop entering of any extra fuel into the carburetor, and when the fuel level goes down inside the carburetor, the float just comes out a little bit, and so that the extra fuel can come in. So this is the internals of a carburetor, as you can see, and This is the main jet, this is the pilot jet, this is the float, this is the fuel line, this is the airline, and this is the throttle. When we give the throttle, so it opens and closes. These are the further jets inside. So basically it's pretty simple working carburetors. These are not fuel injected machines, and as you know, in the newer era of BS6 there is no carburation available except for electronic carburetor, which is a totally different concept. It is a carburetor but controlled electronically. That is provided by Bajaj Pulsar 125 and some 125 Pulsar NS and all those are motorcycles from Bajaj. And so if you have any kind of questions regarding these mechanical parts, I'm not going into too much details of the carburation and too much details into the working of this, because it will take me another half an hour to explain you how this exactly technical working of this carburetor. So it's very complicated to explain. I can't explain you in a layman type. So if I'm explaining, I'll make sure I'm giving you a detailed explanation. So if you have any questions about this, do let me know in the comment section down below. I will try to answer all of your questions. And if you like what video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania. So now we are done with the cleaning of the carburetor, and we are fixing it back. Well, this regular maintenance is quite necessary, guys. Not only necessary that if you have any problem we can do, even every 2 year or every 10,000 kilometers you can get your carburetor open. You can do by yourself also, it's not a big deal, and get it cleaned, because that will help your engine get a very cleaner air fuel mixture. Otherwise, sometime if there is any dirt or any clogging in the carburetor, that might not give the perfect combustion for the engine. Now this is the all technical videos I wanted to make today for my viewers, because many of you have Splendor Plus at your home, and this whatever work is done, it is same for all the basic motorcycles, the older motorcycles, BS3 models and even BS4 models without DeFi, all are same. Splendor or any other Hero Honda motorcycles, older Hero Honda motorcycles, you will get the exact same kind of technology and same kind of things which is used. So if you have any questions regarding all this, do feel free to contact me in my Instagram account. The details are given in the description box down below. And so we are done with this servicing, and we are just fitting it back. And after that I will take this motorcycle for a test ride and tell you what kind of difference do I feel. Well, today it's already late, so I won't be taking this motorcycle for a spin, and I also don't have my GoPro set up with me and GoPro helmets and set up with me right now. So I will take this motorcycle tomorrow for a ride and see what kind of changes these motorcycles had, and how is the feeling of the ride. And उससे पहले मुझे जाके बैटरी भी लगानी है. I'll get the batteries fixed and I will see you tomorrow. I will get the battery fixed and I'll see you next in the GoPro setup when I take this motorcycle for a spin. So guys, this is Matri Automobiles, where I'm getting my beloved Splendor Plus serviced. Well, they have some great people working over here, and whenever there is any problem with my bike, I do bring it over here. So if you are in Durgapur and in Benachit area, you can visit Kaiser Lane, Matri Automobiles, Devashish Da. I'll give the contact number down below. You can contact him for any kind of motorcycle queries. Well guys, I've taken this bike finally out. I couldn't take it the very next day. So, but just a day after I took it out for checking if everything is fine in this motorcycle. Well, the speedometer now works properly. The fuel gauge is working properly. The indicators are working. The horn is working, which means I threw in a new battery for this motorcycle as well. So new battery and a bit of general servicing, checking the brakes, and the engine oil, the clutch was changed, and a lot of work was done to the motorcycle, as you have already seen. So now what I'm saying is the bike is really smooth, much smoother than before. And before I couldn't push the motorcycle as much, and there was some starting issue. The kick was missing continuously because of the clutch issue. Now that problem is not there anymore. So let me just push a bit and see. Just hang on. problems at all. The bike is pulling effortlessly, no problem with the clutch. All the problems are solved. The bike is much smoother than before. And anyway, the chain was tightened up, the looping was done, all the moving parts, it was checked properly. But I feel there might be, I'm not sure, but there might be some issue with the gearbox in future. I'm feeling some judder in second gear. I'm not sure about it, but there might be some issues. So we'll check it out, let it run now for some time, and let me see if there is any problem or not, because I do want to take this motorcycle for a long ride. I'm not getting that confidence if it will hold up, so I need to see it once again for next 3 months probably, and check if it is working fine, gearbox is good, and if everything runs well, then for sure I would take this motorcycle for for a longer ride. So do stay tuned to Automania. And if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania for exclusive automotive updates. Guys, I keep on posting every alternate day, and it does take a lot of effort to shoot, edit and everything, and I'm on alone with this in this. Yes, Sumit does help me out with the shooting too, so somewhat I get help because somebody has to be behind the camera, but editing and all and the cinematics and everything is done solely by me. So lot of effort is going on for each and every video, and I hope you are liking the content. If you like, I just need one help from you guys. Do share the video with your friends and let them know, yes, that a YouTuber, a channel is coming up, and he's really working hard for the channel. This would really encourage me for bringing up much better and happening content for you guys. 1 second. Yes, we are clear. Electric vehicle, well, that's the future. Yes, and on that electric note, it's time to wrap up this episode of Automania. Guys, let me know, how did you like the overall overhauling of this machine, and the clutch replacement and everything technical, whatever I explained. I hope you understood. I tried to explain it in a very easy manner. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section down below. I would be happy to answer your queries. Till then, as I always say, wear your helmet when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashant Banerjee. You're watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!